So this plan can be a boomerang as well. If you throw it correctly, it's come back to you. Let me show you how to throw it. I will tilt it a little bit and I'll throw it straight up at 30 degrees and the plan should come back to me. You want to see it again? So close. It's probably a boomerang. Yes, yes. I'll try to catch it. So close. Let's try again. Let's try again. Oh, it's flying away. Hello everybody. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a new, cool, awesome paper airplane. To make the plane, you need a piece of your letter size paper. And if you don't have your letter size paper, don't worry. Use A4 paper or any type of printing paper as a rectangle sheet of paper should work. And one more thing, you need to be patient. Patience will help you to fold this plane successfully. Now, let's fold the paper in half this way. And then unfold the plane. Oh, unfold the paper. Okay. Now unfold the paper. Next step. Let's start from the top edge from both sides. Fold both sides toward the center crease. And repeat the same fold for this side. Now, let's start from this top, fold straight to this line. And then flip the paper over. Start from both edges here, or this top edge. Fold both sides to the center crease. Same thing for the other side. Perfect. On the following step, let's start from the tip, fold straight to this line. And then fold the paper in half. Let's flip the paper over and fold it in half. Make sure that all edges are lined up. And then there's a tricky point. Let's unfold the plan. Oh, again, let's unfold the paper and then fold this part up and then fold the paper in half again. And now we have the top, right? I will use it. I will start from this tip. Take a look at this. I will make a fold from this line to this edge. And then I repeat the same fold for the other side. I turn the paper over and I fold it like this. here we go. So now this is what we have, and I will fold the whole tip here down and match both sides to hold the head. On the following step, I will fold the top here down a little bit. You can see the top down. Okay, we fold it down a little bit. Here we go. So this is what we have, and then we can fold a little bit more. I'll show you. So the top here, we fold this. Let's do it this way. So let's fold this one back for now, and then start from this edge, fold to the center, to the edge to create the wings. So just like this, and repeat the same fold for the other side. This is a very interesting paper airplane. Alright, so this is what we have, and then the top here, I'll fold back, and I can fold this the top part back, right? And then I'll fold both sides, the wings. I'll fold the wings down, and now we have the wings of the plane, and we have the head of it, and this is what you should have for now. This looks very nice, right? Let's adjust the head a bit, and at the end of the wings, let's fold this part up to create the stabilizers. So let's fold the wings down, and then at the very end of the plane, let's fold up. Make sure that it's parallel to this edge. All right. Okay, so just cheat a little bit. Let's match this edge to the edge right here. Okay, so I will fold up here too. So let's match it for this, and then I'll start from this side. I'll match it to this edge, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. This plane is not a long distance plane, but it should fly well. What's a mess. So let's pull it out, and this is how the plane should look like. Alright, let's pull this one down a little bit more to make it look cool. Here we go. So if the plane doesn't fly, you can adjust the stabilizers to have it fly. You can pull it up a bit, you can pull it up a bit, or you can pull it down a bit to make it fly. Alright, and here you go. This is a new cool paper airplane. Let's check it out. Don't forget to give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Finally, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.